Hi, my name is Caitlin, and today I want to leave you an honest review on this gun safe. This is so nice to have if you want your handgun close by you at night. It's nice and small, so you can easily put it inside of a nightstand, but it's safe. You don't want to have guns laying around your house. So this allows you to have a gun close at night, but also safe. It's super simple to set up. I just did my fingerprint and a password, and it was so easy. For the sake of the video, I just made the password 121212, and it opened up super easy, and it's really spacious. It's a good size for a gun and works like a charm. I also did my fingerprint, and it just immediately opens up. Seriously, so seamless and so easy. It took me 5 minutes to set the passwords. It was very easy. The instructions were very precise, and I will show you a little video kind of explaining how I did that. But I am just overall really impressed on this gun safe, and I'm super excited to have it just close to my bed so I can feel safe and secure at night.
It came packaged really nicely. When I opened it, the instructions were on top, kind of explained exactly what was in it and how to set all of the passwords. Then the keys were also in there. I was able to unlock it. The very first step includes using the screwdriver that was provided and taking out the battery box that is inside and putting in the 4 batteries. Once that was done, I was able to screw the batteries back in and begin to set the passwords. Once you open it, underneath of these 2 blue lights, there will be a button that is kind of hidden. You will push that and then push number 1 and set your 6-digit password. To set your fingerprint, you will push that same button again and then push number 3 and do your fingerprint 3 times. It also comes with an anchor. You're able to unscrew that top and anchor it to a table or something like that if you'd like. So if you're looking for a good gun safe, this is a great one.